Hello, so welcome back to the Tech Guy, and today, I'll be talking about how to create a bank account within 3 minutes. Yeah, how to create a fully verified bank account within 3 minutes. Yeah, so if you want to create a bank account without going to the bank, then this video is for you. Yeah, so before that, don't forget to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any, important or critical information. Okay, so let's go and let's see how this is done. Yeah, so to start with the account creation, download the Ecobank mobile app on Play Store or App Store. So whether you're using Android or Apple, you can get this app. So install it and open it. Yeah, so you have to install it. Then you select the get started. So you have to select the get started and select the no, I don't have an account. So you select the no, I don't have an account, so that you'll be able to create a new account. Okay. So far this Ecobank, when it comes to like easy bank account creation, they are the best. So just select it and select the country and inputting your number. So you select open an account. Then you choose the type of account that you want. If you want Express, savings or current accounts, you can choose, but I'll be choosing Express account. But you can choose any account depending on your needs. So you select a particular account. So if you want to get more info about the account, you can read what's in there. So you select the account you want to choose. Then you proceed. So a code will be sent to your mobile number, then you input in the code. So you have to wait patiently for the code to arrive. Then you input in this code on your phone, on your Ecobank app for verification purpose. So after you are done with that, you first start with your personal information. So make sure you input in all details correctly and proceed. Then the next one is identification. So you select your Ghana card and you input in your details. Then you are done with it. So you'll be allowed to create a PIN. So you have to create a 6-digit PIN. The PIN must be 6. So you have to create a 6-digit PIN. Then you continue. After you continue, set the security questions for yourself. Set the security questions for yourself. Then, so for in here, you have to put in this number as my referral code. So input in this, okay? And you can proceed with that. So you can enable your fingerprint, or you can put any lock on it, or you can skip. So you are done with it. So in here, you have to verify your ID. You have to verify your ID. And you have to select the verify now so that you'll be able to scan your Ghana card. You'll be able to scan your Ghana card, okay? And you'll be taking a selfie of yourself with the ID card. So you select the type of ID, Ghana card, and you are done. So after your document has been submitted, your account is ready. Okay, your account is ready and you can enjoy it. So you realize in here, that's my account number. Dedicate under the Express account, that's my account number. You can share your account details also. So that's the simplest and the easiest way to create a bank account online within 3 minutes. This is not even 5 minutes, within 3 minutes. Okay. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe.